Hi class, this is Bradley Bush. I am your instructor for 121 and Math 151. Both of my classes function the same, so I'm going to make just one video, and this is the 121 shell, but for those in my 151, your shell looks identical, so you can follow along without any issue. This movie will help you, or video will help you, learn how to learn in MyMathLab. So that's kind of the title of this video, How Do You Learn in MyMathLab? So once you're inside the shell, you can go to the schedule on the left-hand side here, and you'll see what we do every week. So for this first week, we have the orientation homework, and then all of these modules, 10.6 through 12.3, and then we have some applied modules using Math to Save Money, module 1, 5, and 2. We also have a quiz in MyMathLab at the end of the week. So for the homework, this is how I would suggest learning. Once you see what you have to do, let's say we wanted to do 18.2, because that's where we were. We'd done the orientation, we'd done 10.6, and we'd done 18.1, and now we want to do 18.2. So what we would do, we would go over to the learning modules on the left, go to module 18, because we're looking for 18.2, go down to topic 2, so now we're in 18.2. Here we have the learning portion. You see it says 1 Learn. This is the interactive tutorial type learning that teaches you how to do stuff. And then you have the homework section here in the number 2 slot that says practice. Generally, when I teach this class, I have an assess, which gives them concept questions. Those are not required this summer because we only have 5 weeks, and I felt that those concept checks took too much time. So I've cut out the number 3 part there, but you have 1 and 2 here. So the homework is just the same as normal homework, right? So if we go back to the interactive topics, this is 18.2. It gives you a little blurb, an introduction, tells you what you're going to be doing here, and then you start. So here it talks about the vertical line test. You read the information, you see the graphics on the side. There's some vocabulary here that you can see if you like. And you just click through until you're done. Here it teaches you how to apply the vertical line test. It gives you an example, A and B, and it gives you a solution for both of them. You can see the vertical line, it can touch 3 times, so it's obviously not a function. And then there's a solution for B. It only touches once everywhere, so that is a function. And we just keep going through until you have finished all of the tutorial. Here's another example with solution, step 1, step 2, and step 3. And again, some vocabulary in case you need it. So that's really how you learn in the information in MyMathLab. If you don't want to go into the interactive learning portion before you do the homework, then you're welcome to go straight to the homework through the assignments tab on the left. You could go straight into the homework in 18.2 and then do any of the questions you like. If this is a review class for you, then this might not be a bad option. One thing I do want to point out that is super helpful, and I pointed it out in my MyMathLab video, but I just wanted to just show you here. The View an Example tab here, you also have videos, by the way. The View an Example tab in the Help is actually very, very helpful. It gives you a step-by-step solution to the specific problem you are working on. So you have multiple ways to learn the content. You can also email me, ask me a question by the Ask an Instructor link. I'm happy to video conference with you through Zoom. I'm happy to make a video like this and ship it to you, or just if it's a quick answer, I can respond via email or text with remind. There are lots of ways you can learn. You could also check out my YouTube channel. There are also many other people who do YouTube videos. You could check those out. You have lots of resources. Please let me know how I can help, and good luck with everything.